Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Etsy. Now, we're currently trading at almost 194. We're up here at 193.87. Now, you can see there's two upper trend lines here on our wedge or symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. And that's just because we had this original upper trend line here, and we ended up respecting it last week. So we figured, you know what, we're just going to roll with it and keep that on there. So going forward, that first upper trend line is where we're up against right now. That's going to be our first resistance. That's currently right around the mid 194s. Above that, it will be 196.50 that we're going to be watching next. That's our next resistance. And then above that, it will be that final upper trend line here. This is the most recent trend line that we created on the daily for this triangle, and that's going to be up here basically right at we're just going to call it close to the 200 level, so right around 199 to 200. That's going to be your final resistance, so look for that to kind of confirm a breakout of this wedge. But support wise, what we're looking at, well, it's going to be this 9-day EMA. We did break above that and held that very nicely today. We're 191.30 is going to be that where that currently is trading. Below that, this 50 and the 200, they're currently right next to each other, right? So they're basically right at 187. So it's going to be interesting to see in here, is this 50 going to confirm and fully cross over that 200, or are we going to get this 50 kind of running away from that 200? Okay, so that's going to be something to watch. But overall, it should be some good support for us in here going forward. But just kind of keep an eye on that to see if we can kind of confirm that bullish trend of the 50 crossing and holding that 200, or is that 50 going to start to diverge and kind of go down here and run away from the 200? That would give us kind of a bearish signal in here. If we do break below that for our support, the next area will be right around the 183 184 mark, and that's currently where this lower trend line is here on this wedge. So those are the levels that we're looking at. Again, keep an eye on the 200 and the 50-day moving average. It's going to kind of give you a heads up of what could immediately happen, and then watch the 196.50 area in here, and then see if we can kind of confirm a breakout of this large symmetrical triangle that we have created. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached some links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.